What's up, everybody? My name is Mike, and welcome to Tech Tuesday. Now, what are we going to be doing today? Well, here's my phone. I have the Samsung Fold 4. If you haven't seen my other review, I have an 8-month review out there. Go check it out. I'll link it up here. And I also have one in case you have one and you're concerned about the screen peeling. But what I'm talking about is this is naked. I've been driving my phone or riding with it naked for a couple weeks now because this is the case I used to have. Well, I still have it. But one day I noticed that this part broke. I don't know if you can see. Anyways, I had it for a year, plenty of drops, and my phone's doing fine. I actually did drop this about 3 days ago without the case from this table height, which is about 3.5 feet tall. Very scary, very nerve-wracking, but it's perfectly fine. Other than, again, this looking like a banana. Not the point. Point is, what was I going to replace this with? And I went ahead and I replaced it with this, which is the Samsung, leather cover? It's the same exact case. I got the same exact case. Now, the reason I got it is because it works so well. It's lasted for more than a year. And this thing was $10, comparatively spending like $40 on a case that, I knew that this protected my phone well enough. Why get another case? So I got one. It's Samsung brand. I'm going to go ahead and put it on, but I was making this video, one, because it's Tech Tuesday, and this is fairly tech related and a real problem that I've had. And second, again, this case works. Now, it's not the best case. There's a lot of reviews on this, if it's bad or good. Now, what I can tell you is that it busted after a year. In most cases I've ever had didn't bust after a year. But because this thing is just the smallest little front part, this is the part that gets onto the front of the device, and folds kind of suck, because it can't just be one part. It has to be this tiny little front part and then the back part. The back part's fine. It's a little crusty and gross now, but not the point. The point is, do I recommend this? Yes. Samsung, you don't make great cases, but what you do make good, okay cases. And again, it's worked pretty fine, and it was $10. Technically, with taxes and shipping, it was $13. But either way, yeah, let's go ahead and open this thing. What do I get in here? I get instructions on how to go ahead and apply it. I get a fake box, which is phone shaped. I get the new back rubber or back leather. I don't know if this is going to focus or see, but this is definitely cleaner. Now, I got this originally because Samsung, when I bought my phone, I bought it from Samsung, and they were like, hey, you get $200 of accessories. So I ended up getting that and a charger and some other shit. Samsung is not as worn on the back, obviously. So I might just keep this to have a rugged thing. And then you have these blue little tabs. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you definitely can see a little bit. But yeah, it's adhesive. So now when I was peeling it off of this phone, off the broken one, it's kind of gunky. So I had to get some alcohol wipes and wipe it off and clean it up and just kind of clean it up. Did it damage it with those adhesives? No, but even after having it on there for a year, there's still little bits of the coating, this weird dark coating over the aluminum railings that is a little fucked up. So I'm gonna say, to be honest, it didn't do the proper job of making sure my phone didn't get scratched up. It's definitely scratched up a little bit, but it's not terrible, but it's not great. Again, this is $11. The first one was free, and yeah, it just think for as long as I'm going to have this phone, I'm going to use this case. I probably won't have this phone for much longer, but for the time being, I'm going to have it. Now, did it protect to make it stop doing this? No. I want to say that this not being flat is because there's a little mark up here, and I got that mark after dropping it because it doesn't cover the whole back of the phone. And I dropped it from a 1.5 foot. I was in a lawn chair, but it landed on concrete on the part that wasn't protected. And then about a week later, it stopped working. And that was the only drop I really truly had on it. So anyways, I'm going to change the camera perspective and put the case on. And then after that, it's pretty much just, I'm gonna say it now. Goodbye, have a great time, I love you. Check out my other tech videos. We do Tech Tuesdays basically every week unless something comes up. And we're gonna be doing some more here coming up. So super excited for that stuff. And I just wanted to say, you know, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like the video, have a good time. Let me know what case you have if you have one of these. I really want the Pila case, but they don't make it for the Fold, which is really irritating, which is really why I want to get an iPhone or like a standard Samsung or maybe a Google Pixel, because Pila makes those cases, and I really want a Pila case for this Fold. Last phone I had was a OnePlus 9, no fucking Pila case. Phone before that was a Note 10, no Pila cases for the Note series back then. So I just want a Pila case, and I've wanted one for like 5 years. I've never had a phone that Pila actually makes a case for. So next case review, probably gonna be a Pila case for another phone, but we'll see when that comes about. Love you guys, talk to you. All right, so I'm doing this from behind the camera. So again, this back part just goes ahead and clips onto that. As I said, there's a, if this will focus, there's a scratch there, which is where I dropped it. Could probably clean this front. Some sticky substance on my hand earlier. I don't know what that's from. Anyways, case, bottom grill. Yeah, it goes on this way. You can kind of click it on beforehand, but we're gonna go ahead and rip these stickers off. Sticker down. Sticker. Oh, this is a long sticker. Boop. And the other sticker. Oh, that's another long sticker. Crazy. Anyways, just 1, 2, 3. I think I got everything. Didn't miss a sticker. I don't know. Looks nice. Looks clean. Looks professional again. Minus my fingerprints, but oh, look at this case. I'm happy to have a case on it. It feels so much thicker. When you go ahead and open it, it shouldn't have, you shouldn't be able to read that Samsung thing. It should be right there. But anyways, have the case on there. Peace of mind. I will tell you, I've been waiting to make this video just because I haven't had the time to, and it's been sketchy going naked with this phone case. But now we're here. Awesome.